It's the most horrible thing in the world. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something a bit different to my normal videos because we're not talking about skincare, hair, beauty, any of that stuff. As you can tell from the title of the video, guys, I need glasses. So in today's video, we're talking all about glasses, all about eyewear. So before I keep you here for ages and yabber on, let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so like I just said, I need glasses. Conveniently enough though, also guys, this is like a bit of a preamble before we get into the actual video. Conveniently enough though, a couple of weeks ago, like over Christmas time, I was at my brother's house and one of the adverts that came on TV was for an eyewear company called Glasses Direct. So I think when I was told that I needed glasses, my mind immediately went back to that advert and I remembered Glasses Direct and I was like, oh my god, yeah, Glasses Direct. The funniest thing though guys, I actually used to work for Glasses Direct, which is actually the funniest thing. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, this is not affiliated with, I'm not being paid for anything. All of this is 100% my views, my opinions. I no longer work for Glasses Direct. I've not worked for Glasses Direct since like 2019, so almost 3 years I've not worked at Glasses Direct. But I think it was just funny that when I was told I needed glasses, I remembered the advert and then I remembered that I used to work there, which is actually so funny. I'm not with it all the time, but anyway, so I remember Glasses Direct and I know that having worked there, there's a lot about the brand, the company, the operations that I'm very familiar with. So Glasses Direct seemed like the most logical place for me to buy my glasses from. So basically today's video, ta-da! So Glasses Direct have a home trial service that lets you try 4 frames for free for 7 days, which is really great because I think when you are in the opticians, you don't really know how they're going to look with different outfits, with different hairstyles on different days. I know that when I went to the opticians, I was basically in leggings and my puffy Uniqlo coat, and I know that that's not the outfit that I would be wearing when I will be wearing my glasses. So what I really do love about the home trial that you get from Glasses Direct is that they send them to your door. You can pick 4 frames, any 4 frames you like, just so long as they actually say home trial next to them on the website. They get sent to your house. Mine came within like 2 days. You can try them on for 7 days with all of the different looks and different lighting, all of that stuff. You can show your friends, take pictures, videos, all the rest of it, so you can really get a great understanding for what your frames are going to look like. You can feel the materials, how a particular frame will sit on the face for extended periods of time. Glasses Direct aren't the only eyewear company to do home trial things. I'm sure if you look online you'll find a bunch of other companies, but I just feel like being able to be at home in the comfort of your own home with all of your clothes around you, you can really try things on. Because you know, if I'm going into Specsavers, I can't just ask to take home like 4 frames and then bring them back, you know, like that's not quite how it works. But anyway guys, I wanted to do a mini try on with you guys so you guys can also help me decide which frame to go with. I'm like 90% confident with all of the ones that I've picked, and I know I'm gonna look I know I'm gonna look good in all of them, but I still thought it would be like cool to actually try them on. But anyway guys, I've literally been babbling on for 8 minutes, so now I'm gonna open up the box and we're gonna jump straight into trying. I'm so excited! So here we have the box. It comes in this pizza box. So basically you open up this and inside you have a mini leaflet thing. This comes with your receipt, basically just telling you all the stuff that's included in it, as well as how to return. This comes with a return sticker. Guys, the most important part about this is you need to return these glasses after the 7-day period that you've had them, otherwise you will be charged. Quickly, just to talk about how the whole charging thing works, when you're placing the order you do need to give your card details. This is just so that in case you don't return the frames and you try and run off with the frames, Glasses Direct don't lose out. It's more of like for security purposes, not to charge you. When I placed my order, they took £1 from my account, but then like 30 minutes later the £1 was returned to my account, which I think was just to ensure that my bank account is actually a real bank account. So again, more for like security purposes than actually to charge you money. So everything is free, they just need to cover their backs. But anyway guys, so these are the frames that I got. I picked 4 frames. So where to start? Where should we start, guys? You know what, let's just start like at the top. So the first frame I have up here, these are the Balham. These are from the Glasses Direct line called London Retro. Fun fact, guys, Glasses Direct sell glasses from a lot of other brands. They've got Ray-Bans, Ted Baker, Gucci, I think. They have lots of brands, and they also have their own brands called Scout, London Retro, and I can't remember the last brand name, but they have their own brands. So these are the first ones from London Retro. These are Balham. These are a shiny black and gold. These are gold mostly around the outside, but they've got like a gold detailing. These retail for £89 on the Glasses Direct website. These are a nice like square frame. I think for my personal liking, the frame is a bit too thin. I prefer more like a chunky frame than this, but these are what they look like. Let me see what they look like on. Oh wow, they're a bit dusty though. But do you know what? These are quite nice. These are very lightweight. These are acetate, and acetate is basically just a plastic frame. It's like lots of thin plastic sheets stuck together and then cut through a specific mold, and this is them. Personally, I prefer acetate just because they are a lot more lightweight and a lot more durable than, say, like metal frames and plastic frames. Plastic frames can be quite cheap, and even though acetate is technically plastic, it's more of a durable kind of plastic, and I personally just hate all metal frames because I feel like, ew. What do we think? I love these actually. I think these are cute, really nice. These come in a ton of different colors. I'm going to have a link to all of the glasses down below in the description. So if you feel like checking them out down below to see all the different colors and all of that stuff. Also, let me know which one you think I should buy. Funny because these look kind of small, but they're actually a lot bigger than I thought they would be. And these are just a simple classic black. I was a bit concerned that the gold would be a bit too prominent, but to be fair, I don't think they are that prominent, and I quite like that gold accent. I don't know. What do we think? What do we think? Like, interesting. I like. One thing that I love about these is that aside from having like the brand name on the inner arm, they also have like a cute LR logo like just on the tail of the arm, which is really cool. And then on the other inner arm, they have some information about the glasses. So they have the length and the width of the frame as well. They also have like the name of the particular style as well as the color. Do you know, I wasn't expecting to like these that much. I mean, obviously because I picked them, I did like them to some degree, but having them on, I'm like, oh, I might get these. Also guys, I'm gonna keep interjecting with lots of cool facts about Glasses Direct. Please be reminded, this is not sponsored by Glasses Direct. I'm not working with Glasses Direct. I've not worked there in 2 years, but because I remember so much stuff, I worked there for 2 years. So naturally I learned a lot of stuff about the company. So I'm just sharing facts that I remember and that are still true today. You can actually get a second pair of glasses for free depending on what offer they have on the website. So they always have, I don't know, what is it, like £40 off your first pair plus a free second pair. They always have some kind of offer on. So if you do get a home trial and you end up liking more than one, you can actually get 2 frames, one for free, and you only pay for the first pair, which I think is really great. But yeah, so these were the London Retro ones. I actually love these, and to be fair, I don't think I want to try on any others. I think these suit me. That said, however, because my hair is in a bun, and I have my hair in a bun like once a month, like once every 3 weeks, so I know that I'll need to try these on again when I've got my like hair down, when I'm in a wig, because I will most likely be in a wig when I'm wearing these. But yeah, like, what do we think? Let me know down below in the comments if you love these and you feel like I should get these glasses. The second pair I have is from another Glasses Direct brand called Scout. This is in the design Chelsea in the color pink. You guys know me, pink is my favorite color. I needed to have something pink. Also, the way that the pink looked on the model looks to be mixed race, so she's a bit lighter than me, but I liked how the pink looked on her, so I thought maybe it might not look so bad on me. But seeing these now, these are super pink, and there's like glitter in the arm. I have nothing against glitter because, to be fair, glitter is probably my favorite color. I think just seeing how much I love the first pair, I think I'm going to end up getting 2 pairs of glasses just because I can't decide, and I like to mix things up. I like to have options. Let's see. Oh, these feel a bit small. Yeah, do you know, these are a bit small. These are 14, whereas these ones are 18. These are a bit small for me, so I don't think I will get these just because they feel a lot tighter on my face, and I don't like that. But I think in terms of the color, the pink is very complementary. So if you have dark skin like me, whether you're my color, a bit darker, a bit lighter, I think the pink is really complementary, and it doesn't from me and from where I'm sitting, it doesn't look super pink. It almost looks a bit like nude, like a rosy nude tone, which I really like. I also like that it's quite clear, like it's pink but it's clear, so it's not like a solid pink color. It's kind of see-through, which I really like. And I think these are cool. So, no, these are cute. I think if they weren't so tight, if they were just a bit wider, I would love these. But I think for aesthetic, I love these, but I think for more practicality, I wish they were a bit wider, like just like a tiny bit, like I had a bit more space to work with, because they do feel quite narrow on the face. But I love the oversizedness of them. Similarly, these come in 4 colors. You can get these in black, pink, clear. I can't quite tell what that last color is, but I'm gonna have these linked down below. These are £69, and these frames are acetate. Basically, I will never not buy an acetate frame. So if you don't like acetate frames, 1, these are not the frames for you, and 2, this is definitely not the channel for you, because I only like acetate frames. How cute, like I love these. I wish they were a bit different, but I like them. The next pair I have is another pair of London Retro frames. These are the same as the first pair that I showed you, but these are just in a different color. So this is the pair Balham, and this is in the Havana gold style, which is basically tortoiseshell. While I was trying to decide on the colors, I thought I would prefer these, but I wanted to try them in black because I think black is just a more acceptable frame. But having tried on the black, I feel like I prefer the black to the tortoiseshell, because somehow the tortoiseshell is giving something different that I'm not quite sure about. Let's see. Oh, interesting. It's funny because I don't hate these. I don't love them, but I don't hate them. Like, I don't love these, so I would definitely not be getting these. However, like, I don't know, there's something about them, like I do like them, but I don't think these are a pair that I would really want to have. The tortoiseshell is, I don't know, I think from here in the viewfinder I don't look that bad, but I think as I come closer in and I see it, like, I'm not really, I'm not convinced really by these. Question mark, but I think these are probably going to be a no as well. But these are super comfortable on the face. I love the square, I love how oversized they are, and yeah, I think basically everything that I liked about the black pair I like about these, minus the color. The color for me is the only thing that I'm kind of iffy about. It goes with what I'm wearing now, and I think this would probably go with a bunch of my outfits, because, you know, I'm brown, these glasses are brown, but there's something about them that I'm just like, And I think this year I really want to adopt the when in doubt, like if you're not sure about something, then really just leave it the F alone, because there's no point in trying to convince yourself about something when you know deep down that something's just a bit off. So I think with that in mind, I think these are probably a no for me. But apart from the color, these are absolutely perfect. And again, these come in 5 colors. These are £89, and these actually have like 5 out of 5 stars, 47 reviews. So make sure you check them out down below in the description in case you like this color and this is a color that you would like, basically. Guys, I'm having so much fun. I'm literally having the time of my life trying these on. Like, I love it. And again, I think this just speaks to the benefits of trying on eyewear at home in the comfort of your own home. You can try it on with different outfits. You can be in the sun in natural light. You can have the lights on. You can just be comfortable at home. You can film videos and share it with people. It's a lot more fun and a lot more modern than just the traditional going into an optician and buying glasses from the opticians. Although that's not to say that you can't just do that, because at least when you go into the physical building, you do have the people there who can talk you through, and it feels less like you're left on your own, which can be quite overwhelming if you're new to wearing glasses and you have a million different things to choose from. So I think that is one benefit of being able to be in the store with a professional who can guide you through the different styles, which frames you can use, which frames wouldn't necessarily fit with your prescription. So there are pros and cons to both, but I think for the pure fun aesthetic side of things, nothing beats being able to try on your glasses at home by yourself for a week. So we love that. We're now on to the fourth and final pair of glasses. These are another pair from London Retro. These are called Logan 2. These are very different to the other frames, because whereas the first 3 frames were square, these are a round. And to be, I'm looking at them, my boyfriend actually had a pair of glasses that looked like this, and I remember I tried them on once and I really liked how they looked on my face. But having tried on squares, I think I'm more of a square girl. I think because my face is quite oval. I mean, to be fair, oval faces can suit any glasses. Ow. But I think I just much prefer like a square frame. I'm nervous, but you know, we're going to try them on anyway. I'm going to dust them down in case these are dusty. Oh no, these have kind of like a matte kind of finish, so I think these are going to be a no, because I really hate matte. I hate touching matte things, because when you have dry hands and you have to touch matte things, it's the most horrible thing in the world. So these are a no, but I'm going to try them on anyway because why not? These are turtle shell, these are round. Let's see. These feel very wide, because look at that. Do you see how wide that is? This must be broken. Yeah, I think the last person that tried these on must have had a way bigger head than me, because these are completely bent out of shape, but that's okay because these are a no. My first thing is that these are a bit too small. They feel a bit wonky as well, but I think that's just because this frame is broken. Let me know what you guys think down below. These are a no, so I'm definitely not buying these. These are very uncomfortable to wear just because this arm is completely out of shape, and I don't want to break it. These are very hard to wear just as they are, just because this arm is very weird. But these are a no. I don't like the matteness of them. I don't like the tortoise shell. I don't like how round they are. But let me try them on for you guys, in case any of you guys out there are a round frame fanatic. Although, guys, listen, I'm so indecisive, but having just tried these on, I actually low-key love these. I don't know, I low-key love these and I low-key want these. There's something about a round frame, you can't go wrong. Oh, do you know what? I'm gonna have to try these on again and like get some opinions from my friends, from my sister. Just have to ask people. Again, one of the benefits of trying on at home, if you're not sure about something, you can just ask somebody else for their opinion. Wow, guys, how fun was that? I think so far for me, feel free to comment down below if you disagree with me, whatever. So far for me, the outstanding winners, we have the London Retro in Balham. I feel like these are going to be my glasses. I'm going to buy these. I love the frame. I love the square, the oversized. I love them all. To me, I like to wear my glasses, like even my sunglasses, I like to wear them like just beneath my eyebrows. So I love how they sit like this. I just... These for me are the ones that I'm definitely going to buy no matter what. I'm kind of looking at the tortoise shell ones, like maybe I could do, but then I'm also looking at the Logans thinking like maybe I could do, I don't know. But these black Balham definitely is a yes from me. I'm gonna get these for sure. So that is me done trying them on. Let me know what you guys think of these, which ones were your favorite. I'm curious to know what you guys think, so please do let me know down in the comments and help me choose my pair of glasses. I actually can't believe I need glasses, but to be fair, the fact that I am on my laptop from 8:30 in the morning to like 1 a.m. in the morning, I'm not surprised that I need glasses. I mean, to be fair, I'm surprised I haven't needed them sooner, because what the hell? But anyway, guys, I think basically all you need to remember is you can try 4 frames at home for free for 7 days, and you can do as much as you like with them. Just so long as you return them, then you will not be charged any money, which I think is really great. That's basically all from me. I can't wait to show you guys the pairs that I do actually get. I think that'll probably be in a later video, and then in that video I'll talk to you more about the buying process, because with Glasses Direct, not only do you get these glasses, but they've lots of different kinds of glasses also, which reminds me, you don't need to have a prescription to buy glasses. If like me, you're on your laptop computer for 12+ hours every single day with no break, you can get some blue light glasses, you can get some glasses which just have like a protective like UV filter, you can get tinted lenses put in. So say you like these but you don't need glasses, but you would like these as a sunglass, you can get a darker tinted lens put in which you won't need a prescription for. You can also get like anti-reflect coatings put onto your lenses. There are a whole bunch of things you can do to customize your glasses, to customize your order entirely, which I think is also another thing that makes Glasses Direct really unique. But I will talk about all that stuff when I actually do come to buy my glasses. But anyway, guys, that was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, if you have any questions down below, let me know. Help me pick. Let me know which ones you loved, which ones you hated, which ones you think suited me best. Once again, because I feel like I'm paranoid, so I feel like I need to really say this, but you know, I don't work for Glasses Direct. I've not worked for Glasses Direct since 2019. This is not sponsored, paid, affiliated with, anything like that. I genuinely need glasses, and I remembered that Glasses Direct are a great place to get glasses from, having worked there, and also like I know the ins and the outs bit. But yeah, that is all from me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.